Hi guys, and welcome back to another haul thrift video. If you guys are into contents like this, then make sure to hit that subscribe button. I try to do weekly videos for thrifting and everything about reselling. Let's just get right into this haul. This first item, I don't know if this is actually from the brand like Pink Victoria's Secret, but the label just says Pink, P-I-N-K-K. This is from the Bins. It's silky PJ top. It's really nice, long sleeve, which, you know, I don't know if this will sell now, but I really like it. Very soft and silky. I think I put that in the title to see if that would help it. I've loved this pattern from Old Navy for forever, and I found it in a dress. It is an XL. Unfortunately, this is probably going to be a little bit too big for me, so I decided to go and list it. Old Navy dresses are also a little bit too long for me, so just Old Navy XL. I just love the pattern, and it's like a 3/4, so it's great for the summer. And because I got it at such a cheap price, I was like, you know, let me go and get it. Next item is a pair of American Eagle jeans. Can't go wrong with these, especially at the Bins. They have some really cute distressing here on the pockets, and then same thing with the hem down below. So I've been doing really good with jeans and American Eagle in specific. 2 pairs of jeans last week sold full price, and then I had a pair of shorts that sold within, like, literally no joke, 20 minutes. So very exciting. This next item is a Time and True, which I believe is a Walmart brand, but it's just another nice summer dress. Very flowy, and I love the color navy. Picked this up because it's a nice basic to have. Here is a American Eagle size extra small dress. Has a nice keyhole feature in the back here. It is long sleeve, but it has like a cutout shoulder, which I thought was pretty cool. Smaller sizes for American Eagle do tend to sit a little bit longer for me, so I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, we'll see how this item does, because like I said, American Eagle doesn't do super well in the smaller sizes for me, but I just thought this dress was nice. I wanted to start picking up a lot of dresses, you know, again for the summer. This is just an Urban Outfitters like knit sweater. Thought that was a really pretty color, and it was just in such good condition. Like, are you kidding me? I honestly have picked up in the last like 2 or 3 weeks, I probably picked up 5 or 6 Urban Outfitters pieces, and none of them have sold. So I don't know. I just, you know, all the brand Urban Outfitters usually is very expensive, and you can tell because this is stitched to the shirt and the Urban Outfitters logo is engraved, like it's sewn into the tag. So that usually means the items are a little bit more expensive. I mean, this was probably like $70 to $90 for this sweater at Urban Outfitters. So obviously it won't sell that much, and Urban Outfitters is super saturated, but when I get it pretty cheap at the Bins, it's totally worth it, except none of it has sold yet. So next item is a Torrid 1 to 2X kimono. I just love this. I thought it was, again, great for the summer and spring. Just a really nice kimono, open in the front. This is the back. I love picking up Torrid. It usually sells pretty quick for me. This I was super excited about. I've had a lot of attention on it, but obviously we're getting into the warmer season, so it'll probably sit for a little bit, which is fine with me. But I was at the Bins and I saw this tag sticking out. Oh my gosh, am I too white? What is going on? Is that better? But I saw this tag sticking out, Anthropology, right into Saturday, Sunday. But look how cute this is. I love this lavender with like the tricolor on the side, the yellow, and then like cream in the middle. I just thought that this was such a great piece. It's literally brand new with the tag, and that it has that nice like rayon soft material inside of the shirt, so I thought that that was really nice. These have also gotten a lot of attention. These are a pair of Victoria's Secret velour pajama bottoms. I just sold my Dolce & Gabbana. If you guys watched that haul, I just sold my Dolce & Gabbana velour pants. But yeah, these are really cute, and they have that really nice ruffle on the bottom. Really good condition. I wanted to keep these for myself, but I was like, no, I think that'll bring some good profits. This next piece is just a universal thread, which is a Target brand. It's like a baby doll top. some girl liked it this morning, so let's see if she'll accept it. Probably not, but it's just like this baby doll ruffled peach top. I thought this was great for the spring and summer. I really went in there with the intention of only buying short sleeve items, but you know how that goes. This next item is a Victoria's Secret, again another robe, or I guess you could call this like a cover up or a robe, but I just thought this was really nice. It's super soft and it's in really, really good condition. Oh my goodness. So I loved it and I was like, I need to pick this up. So I love having some kids items. I usually pick up kids items at the bins only if I find really cute pieces, but I found this Carter's little dinosaur top. Oh my gosh, literally so cute. I could not leave this behind. It's literally brand new, and I know how much little kids or, you know, toddlers 4T have such an obsession with dinosaurs. So I wanted to pick this up because, like, come on, how are you gonna pass this up? And that'll be, I think I had that listed for $14, which I know is kind of a lot, but I'll take offers, you know. Okay, so I found this other torrid piece. It is a 00, which I don't know if it's a 00 in plus size, because I don't think there's a 00 in plus size. I think it's like they also make clothes for, you know, small, medium, extra small, 00. So I think they go from a 00 to like a 20 plus. So I think they're very inclusive on Torrid, I believe. I'm not really sure though. But it's just like a nice blazer. It opens in the front here, but it has like a side zip. Really nice. Love that feature there. And then it's navy blue, which is nice because it goes with a lot of stuff. But it's not like, I mean, it's pretty heavy, I have to admit. So probably, again, it's going to have to wait a little bit for the summer to be over. But I just want a long sleeve. So I don't know, like, I sell long sleeves and I sell short sleeves right now. So it's just list whatever you have because it's going to sell, you know? Next piece is a Fabletics bra, sports bra. I love the color and the mesh detail. It was kind of hard to list this because it had such a intricate items, and because I do a white background, it was really hard to get that white background and the little like pieces in the back here, but I ended up getting a pretty good picture. I think this is an extra small is what I measured it, because Fabletics is like Lululemon. It never has the pull tag. Like people always rip them off. So just the Fabletics logo here. Like I said, I love the color and the mesh details. Super nice. For some reason, smaller sizes for me do not sell on Poshmark. Like, they get a lot of attention, but nobody ever buys them. So I don't know. I think I just want to stop picking up smaller sizes, but then I see stuff and I'm like, oh, that'll sell. But last summer I did sell a good amount of Victoria's Secret bathing suits, so I also found this piece at the bins. You can have the strap or it can be strapless, and it's just like a nice color. But I was like, this is really in good condition, and a lot of bathing suits I find at the bins or even at normal Goodwills are never really in that good of condition. So there's a little hook in the back, and then I really like the 3 or the 4 little strands right here in the front. I think they're 100% from Shein because they have that like medium tag. It's just like that, but they're just like stretchy elastic. I put them as girls PJ shorts. You could probably wear these as normal shorts, but they're like a waffle knit, which usually does pretty good. Waffle knit is definitely in right now. So when I saw this piece of the bins, it was like detached and it looked like it was like from like years and years ago. Like, it looks super vintage, but it's not. It's just Lucky Brand. I don't have, well, the other day I had a full price sale, $56 for a pair of Lucky Brand jeans. It was a great flip. I was very excited when I saw the notification. But it's a tank top, and in the back it's like a snapback. I thought that was so cute, and I love this denim as a shirt, and Lucky Brand denim is really nice. So this shirt is very thick, but you know, when it starts getting into the fall, you can wear this with like a cute kimono and some jeans, or you know, like a skirt. That'd be so cute. But yeah, not my size. If it was, I would definitely keep it because I love these denim tops like that. I just love it. So I picked that up. Drew, my brother, was like, you need to get that. I was like, what the heck is it? It looked like it was a vest. Definitely was not a vest. Got this new with tag coffee please shirt. Just a nice basic. I thought it would be a good piece for people to put in the bundle. Kind of wanted it for myself, but again, I need to stop keeping things for myself. This next item is another pair of American Eagle jeans. This is a newer style because you can tell here with the the lettering, that's a newer pair of jeans. But again, I'm never going to pass up. They're also extra long, and they're super stretch, and they're high rise, and they're jeggings, so they had a lot going for them. Obviously they haven't sold yet, but I think, I don't know, some weeks I sell jeans, some weeks I just sell shorts. It's different every week. You never know what you're gonna get. Next item I found is another Urban Outfitters. I didn't even know it had the tag with it, so that was an extra bonus. These were originally $50, and they're kind of like a jogger sweatpant. They're also really thick, but they have that houndstooth pattern, which is in, and then they have nice zippers on the side and then pockets in the back. Honestly, these could be men's, but I don't think so. I mean, these are definitely women's, but I could be wrong. This next pair of jeans I found is from Adriano Goldschmied. I see a lot of resellers picking them up, but I didn't even realize that's what it was until I got home and I was so excited. Has a little AG in the back, but they were so cute because they have like patchwork to them. And I was like, these are so in, like I would keep these if they were in my size, but they have cute distressing on the bottom. And then like this side has super cute patchwork with the distressing. So I love these, and I have them listed a little bit high because these are very expensive jeans. So we'll see how those do, but I thought those were so cute. This next item I got, well, my brother got this, thought it was also for men's, but it is women's. It's an Old Navy like puffer coat. This is definitely probably gonna sit until the winter, but that's okay with me. But it's so nice, and these are like $50 at Old Navy, so if this sells for like 30 or 20, like I definitely gonna make some good money. I have 2 or 3 more items that are in the wash. I got another pair of American Eagle jeans, and then I got like a Nike zip up like top. Oh, and then I got something else, which literally is so sad because I was looking and I immediately saw this Lululemon bra. Super cute, right? Well, it has like tons of staining on the straps, which I listed, and then I was like, whatever, like who cares, someone will still buy that because it's on the inside. But then I see somebody's name is literally in Sharpie in the inside of the bra, and I'm like, are you kidding me? So I've tried rubbing alcohol, I've tried all the stain removers that I've had at the house, I've washed it 2 or 3 times, it hasn't come out, and then there's no padding in one of the sides. So I'm not expecting to get a lot, but if somebody buys this for $17, that'll pretty much pay for my entire bins haul. I think I spent like $18 for 30 items, so I got a lot of stuff because it was a lot lighter because I had a lot of short sleeve items, so that was really exciting. 3 more things. One of them is for me, but I don't know if it's actually gonna work, so. But next piece is a very vintage Victoria's Secret like lingerie, I guess, or just like a tank top. I love the color, but it's just so cute with the lace detail. This can be a tank top, or it can quite honestly be lingerie. So lingerie does pretty good for a lot of people, so I started picking some up, and or it's like a corset almost. Like, do you see that down here? So I liked it and I picked it up. Next piece is a Nike just basic tank top. But I really liked the colors. I think they were beautiful, and it kind of reminds me of a Lululemon top. So I picked that up. And this last item is for me. I'm going so fast because my camera's about to die. I'm so sorry. This is for me. It's just like a rain jacket because I needed one for work, so not super cute, but like I said, I have a few other things that are in the wash because they were really stained. I also got a pajama top that was Polo Ralph Lauren. It was floral and it was a size 2X, so super exciting. Yeah, I just love doing these hauls because I love watching them and see what other people pick up, see what other people are selling, and see what other people find at their bins, because a lot of people find tons of Lululemon and just a lot of really good brands. So again, if you guys like content like this, make sure you guys give my video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe down below to get more content like this. And again, I just can't thank you guys enough for watching, and we're almost to 300 subscribers, so thank you to everybody who supports and watches my videos. And that is everything from today's haul. So again, I got around 30 items for $18, so that was an amazing haul, and I am so happy to see what my results will be. And again, I just can't thank you guys enough for watching. Make sure you guys give my video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe down below to get more content like